So there's always going to be small disagreements in friendships, but it doesn't have to end things. This girl talk is all about fighting fair, Simone.
Friendship wars.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, one way to cut down on this is to, I think, know who your friends are. Some people ain't worth fighting with. Yeah, that's the truth. That word friend, I think, is a word that we take very lightly. So we ought to put the kind of stock in it that it deserves. And then, once you've done that, here are some tips that will help to fight fear if you have disagreements with that person. The first one is to refrain from personal attacks.
Yeah.
So it's okay to use logic, reason, or facts, or I feel statements, but it's not okay to attack someone's character, appearance, or personality in a discussion. You have a falling out and you choose that time, tell her, oh, she look like this and she. Yeah, but to my mind, friends wouldn't really do that.
Well,
So if somebody attacks you in that way,
these are the moments that help you to understand what the friendship is about.
Of course.
Because if you're in an argument and somebody says, and that's why when you go out, you never look good yet.
Yeah.
And you say,
You've been harboring that for a while.
Hold on a moment. Then this is my friend where every time I go out, them tell me, say, oh, you look so nice. And you say, I don't think this dress fit me. And you say, no, man, you look beautiful. And then me in an argument, and you say, and that's why you go out, you never look good yet. Like, you know what I mean?
Push back. Don't be mean. When you start to get into mean, then...
And personal, it's hard to take back.
Yes.
Even when you say, I apologize, it's hard to take back.
Personal causes a lot of damage because even with the apology, you may forgive, but you don't ever forget that person. And you wonder if it's something they will ever do again. And what the motivation was for it in the first place. Next one says, don't bring up the past.
Oh, please do not bring up the past, especially if it's something that has been resolved. We've moved on. If you bring up the past, bringing up the past, I don't know it's to fix the present. Yeah.
If you forgive, you forgive.
Yeah.
If you don't even forget, you have to find a way to move on. If it's a friend and it's worth the friendship, then you park it and you go about your business. If you keep going back to that place, then that speaks to us.
Same way, so when you go out and everyone left me with the bill.
Yeah. Oh, gosh.
I thought we discussed that and I gave you that money. Why are we going back to somebody everyone left you with the bill? Oh, gosh.
No name calling. I hear this common phrase now where you just take the L and move on. Loser. Okay, maybe in jest. But if you find yourself, like your friend has said, you're a loser, you're this and you're war and you...
Yeah, idiot.
The resort to the name calling.
Yeah, idiot.
And it's not a joke, it's not being done in jest.
Right.
Yeah, that's something that you really need to take stock of. Yes, sometimes you need to vent and you want to say something, but be honest without being like hurtful. There's a way to be, and honesty hurts sometimes, you know. But when you go into the core and you start to dig at them personal looks and character.
The friend knows what will personally hurt you.
Of course, more than anybody else.
Yeah.
More than anybody else. So some friends will tell you they want to be the person to make you laugh the hardest and hurt the most. You'd hope they would spend most of their time doing the latter and not the former. Especially if they know that those things are hurtful. Things that really hurt you. Yeah.
I was talking about it with somebody the other day and I said every time there's a particular person, I said every time they get angry, they go for one specific thing, which tells me that really deep down, that's who you are. Don't interrupt. Hard to do, but you know it works. Because sometimes when the person is trying to explain to you how they feel and what the situation is, and you're interrupting, you're not getting to this place of hearing what they're saying. And then arguing around in a circle, and then they could be saying the same thing, you know. When they argue around in a circle, and interrupting is disrespectful, so them a shout over you, you a shout over them. Sometimes just sitting back and listening
And some people listen, but they don't hear.
Yeah.
You gotta process it, guys. So you hear it coming through your ears. Are you really listening to what the person is saying? And Delia's right. And you keep jumping in, it just makes it escalate. Just give the person a chance to talk. And let them talk, and sometimes them talk and
Forever.
Just listen, and then you say your piece, whatever that piece is.
Yeah.
And you see if you can come to a resolve, or if it don't make no sense.
Yeah, when they're done, say, okay, I listen to what you have to say.
And this is what I...
If you can listen to now what I have to say, and then you move from there. Never make threats.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So no matter how angry you get, folks, don't throw around things like, be careful what you wish for, I know that's what you want. Or they would have to be friends again. So what? No problem. Because those are the things that you cannot.
Nobody call my phone and not coming out and answer.
Yeah.
And so the person doesn't call. And then something happen and you say, imagine, she said she am a friend. And if I need my friend and you hear something happen to me, you'd have called. You said don't call about my phone, you're not going to answer. So the person not going to answer. Threats, man.
Again, a lot of things said in the heat of the moment, but when things calm down and you come back to your senses, if you realize that you've said something that you realize can be really damaging, that you truly never meant, please reach out, correct and autocorrect, because people have been through really bad fights as friends, and it strengthens the relationship. You learn from it and you move on, but you have to try and heal whatever little itches and scratches and wounds you open up before you can move forward.
Yeah. Now come back on my yard, and then you heal the friendship. But every time you say, I'm having something, and the person say, well, you know, I'm not able to
I'm busy
come.
that day.
I'm not able to. Can you tell them, say, no, come back? If I like you come back on my yard and say, me dash dirty water for you, I will not be coming to your yard for you to go throw nothing for me.
Correct. Great note on which to end girl talk. Yeah, somebody tell you
Don't throw dirty
soon come
water
back.
for me.
Somebody
I told Marvin that, but he still come there. You know.